And at this year, I researched, I over-researched, and I see what if somebody asks me that question, what if I'm not able to answer on the spot? I get so much nervous. Is that a problem? Why the person is looking like that? Do you also have overthinking intrusive thoughts in the morning and your head right before you have to go to sleep or sleeping like that?
যাত্রা মাঠে থেকে যাই এ করো কত করে গো
এক সেকেন্ড
পাখিটা মনে হয় গেল নে 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 নে